Who are y'all?
Michael McCormick, Gary Milligan,
Jason Baines.
So they wanted to go out door knocking with me because they were convinced that people would slam the door in my face, they'd be awful, guns would be pulled on us, dogs sicked on us, right?
Maybe the dog.
What was Michael, what was the most important lesson you learned today?
Persistence and positivity. It's important to just keep going at it and be positive for the buyers, the sellers, yourself, in general.
Carrie.
Lack of competition. There's no competition out doing this.
Okay, no competition. And how many people slammed the doors in our face today?
0.
What type of response did we get when we were out knocking on doors?
People were nice.
How nice?
Very nice.
Did people stay in their homes or did they come out?
A little both.
Mostly what?
Mostly came out, yeah.
Okay, so so they came out of their doors, they talked, we had 2 people who didn't.
Exactly.
But that was pretty cool.
Exactly.
Okay, so how many written offers did we make today, by the way?
3, yeah.
3 written offers. How many sellers did we talk to?
2.
2. So usually the case is you make more written offers than you talk to sellers. Okay, what was the biggest lesson you learned today?
Just overcoming fear, and I was surprised at how friendly and nice everybody was that we went to their house and they didn't have a for sale sign in the yard. We just canvassed the neighborhood and knocked on the door, and people came out, were friendly and talked and answered the questions.
When we were doing that, when we were blanket canvassing, just talking to different people, what did we find?
Found 2 people that were possibly interested in selling their house, and 1 guy who pointed us to another house where the people might be interested in selling.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
So, when he pointed, he just goes, "Hey, the house is over here. Go over here." So, pretty cool. Okay, so guys, was today a good day?
Yes.
Yes.
So we had people that were always nice to us, always good to us, and I told you that you would work until dark. Did you believe me? Because it's dark. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Get out and knock on some doors. Talk to some sellers. Bye-bye.